you like the content on our channel, please subscribe and hit the like button on these videos. We'll be updating our inventory on a daily basis. This is the fastest way you can see what we have coming in before we post it on our site. We have a 2020 Ford Explorer Limited, fully loaded, salvage title. Runs and drives. Has front end collision damage. Let's take a look at the damage. You have this frame rail is over about 2 inches. Both sides are swayed over. You have damage to the apron and radiator support, bumper support, radiator condenser. All the cooling, looks like an intercooler also is damaged. You have the apron on this side that's also damaged. Right fender may be able to be saved. We need to replace the hood. Left fender needs to be replaced. And there's a little bit of damage on the driver's front door. You're gonna have to blend. Take a look under the hood. The apron separated from the strut tower. The engine does run. The vehicle does start and drive. Strut tower looks good on this side. Upper radiator support needs to be replaced as well. Stabilizer bar looks straight. Let's take a look inside. Nice leather interior. You have a seat airbag that's deployed. Seat belt's locked. You have another seat airbag that's deployed. Looks like both curtain airbags are deployed. You have a nice panoramic roof. Look at some of the options. Navigation. Drive mode. Driver's side airbag is deployed. And knee airbag is deployed. Check the back seat. You have folding captain chairs in the middle. And it is 7-passenger. It'll be on the website soon. Thanks for watching.